removing the rear passenger door window motor. So this is one of the rear doors, same on both sides. There's going to be 3 screws that you need to get out before you start. This goes there, and there's a window switch that goes here. So you can open your ashtray. Whoops! Open your ashtray and pull it out. And if it comes out separately, that's fine. And then get a grip like this and pull out this whole switch. Has one clippy there, and then like that just fell out. You get a little pry bar. Let me grab one here. And go in here and just click and pull that out, and then you can pull this guy from the back with your hand. Pop that straight up. Then you look for 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Get them with the screwdriver. Then you're going to come down to, they always leave you one corner where there's kind of a grip, so it's right here in the bottom inside corner. You pull on that and pop the bottom out. Then you'll be able to grab this handle and pull up and pull this whole thing upwards. Okay, so once you have, look at this inside of this car. Got all the interior pieces because people have been asking me for all these interior parts. Okay, now we're going for the window motor. So when you're pulling this off, you do need to disconnect some of the harness wires from the light, the switch, the speaker down here, and these especially. So these will come out kind of at an angle, and you'll pop them through their holes with the little slot. I started to pull this down because I wanted to reach in to access the window motor. Window motor. Took the speaker off, 3 screws, and the motor's up inside here. So it's got 4 bolts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. And it looks like it just likes to fall right down. That's looking kind of big for this hole, so I'm gonna pull it back through this hole. That's kind of like a, I think it's like a dust, maybe a little bit of sound insulation, I don't know, dust shield. So this is proving to be a little tricky. I haven't actually pulled this out. There we go. I'm going, so I went all the way back, and then you can come forwards. And the window motor itself is right here, and it's attached by what looks like 3 star pieces, and then that baby should pop right out. So grab this here, swap out my screwdriver, get a grip on it here. There we go. Does that fit? Perfect fit. I really recommend these type of screwdrivers. It's a really solid handle. You can use the end for banging, and you know, any of those kind, of course, are great that have those poppable little guys. These ones have a little tiny ball indent that helps it stay in. But there we go. So those come loose, and then your window motor comes right out. Been in here for how many years, right? While I was doing this, I actually found the headphones and the, well, it really was the remote. I knew where the headphones were, but for this Lexus Gx470, I found a little remote control, which I had been missing, and several people had asked me for to buy it, so I was pretty happy to find that. So now I'm going to pull this off like that, and there's your window motor, and then just put it right back together. Looks like there's a little rust on the gear, but it shouldn't affect anything. I'll clean that up a little bit and send it off.